Okay, yes, you can actually turn your photo into a video, but the question is, how do we go about that? Just click on CapCut now. Let me show you how you can go about it. Click on CapCut, click on photos, make sure the photo you want to use is ready. Click on your photo now and import it to workspace. As we import this photo now, look at it. You can see it's just a photo. Even when you touch it, it's just a photo. Even when you drag it, after dragging it, that does not stop it from being a photo. But the question is, how then do I turn this photo into a video? Just stay calm, stay tuned. That is what I want to show you now, step by step, on how you are going to turn this photo into a video. Just come back now, click, and then you start dividing it. Make a split here, adjust it, make another split. All right, this is the process in which we are going to take to make this photo to become a video. You can see what I am doing. I am dividing them into parts now. Just click and divide them. After dividing them, you come back, click on this first one now, go and look for effect. All right, locate effect, click on effect now, click on effect, guys. Then different effect, body effect, video effect, but you are clicking on style. All right, so that we choose the preferably style we want. Allow it to apply. Now as apply, you can see that some of them are pro. Look for free version, the one that can apply to your photo. Then you look for it, then you apply it. I want to apply this one now. Then you click on it. It's applying. Just exercise patient. If, as you can see, it's applying. Now it has applied. Let's see. Look at it now. Then you click on the second one as well. Look for another one. Look for another style that you'd like, that you want to add. All right, I want to add the next to the first one I've added. Then I click it. Then I allow it to apply. It's applying now. Size patient. Now it has applied. Look at it as well. Then I will click on the third one and look for another style that I am going to apply. All right, this is what you will keep doing to the number of style you want. I click this one, is applying. Just a size patient. Wait, now it has applied, but you can see that this place is short. The effect did not apply completely. I will click on it, then I will drag it so that the effect will apply completely. As you drag it now, you can see that the effect have applied completely. Look at it. Then after this now, I will click on the next one and still click on effect, click on style, still look for the preferably style that I want. I've applied this one. Look at it, allow it to apply. Let us see what it will look like. Look at it now. This is nice, this is okay. Click on the next one. Guys, this is how to turn your photos into a video. You click on effect, go to style, then you look for the preferably one you want, the one you think the style is okay. Then you look at, I've applied this one again. Look at how it look now. This is what you will keep doing, guys, until you get to the number you want. All right, you click on this one. All right, but there is another thing you would understand here. That is not the only way you can apply. You can decide to use animation. All right, can decide to use animation. So when you click on your video now, these are different. Then you can click on this animation, allow it to apply. All right, now these are different animations that you have. You can still decide to use animation. Then you look for the style you want. All right, now I have come out from the style, the photo effect. I am now using the animation part. As I apply this one, you can increase the move. All right, after then, look at it now. I've gotten this one ready. All right, you click on the next one, click on the next one, still click, drag it because it seems it's finished. Then you can still make your cut. All right, and click on this one now, still click on animation again. If you don't see what you like here, you can click on that out there. Look at out on the top there, you can click out. Maybe probably I do not see anything I like here. I will click on that out there to look for one. Look at it as you click on out. Look at what we have on out as well. All right, then I can decide to click on this one now. Then I will apply this, and let us apply that one to see what it look like. After, then you can increase the move. Look at what we have got. All right, you can as well increase the move. After that, you go to the next one, and then you click on the next one now. After you split the part you want, you click the next one, you click on animation. If there is nothing here, click on that combo. So you click on combo. Look at the styles we have in combo. All right, this is what you will keep doing, all right, until you finish making your photo videos. All right, after applying them now, we are going to play it from the beginning. Look at it. After applying them, then we go to the beginning of the video, then we play it to see what we have got. All right, now look at the video as we are playing it now. It is ready. There is nothing remaining. What will be remaining here now is to look for a sweet sound that you are going to add to this your video and every other effect you want to add, and after that you can now export it to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add the sound or every other effect. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video my number is there. Just go and DM me, then I'll put you through on how you add your sweet sound and every other effect. After that, you can now export your video to your gallery. Okay, at the end now, you click on export there, then you export this your video to your gallery. As it's exporting, you just excise patient. All right, now you have finished exporting, you can now share it to your social media handles. All right, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.